We start with daily chart. Just want to give a quick update. First of all, as we can see based on daily chart, after we get this down move and we had this correction. But since we get the sharp move, we see the breakout of the correction, even the price drop, and that means drop within the correction, in the correction zone. Still, I'm thinking the possibility of the price to drop to this zone is very less, but we need to put at least we should know if we get one more drop, how deep it can go, because technically still we can put this one as a correction relative to this. If there is one more drop with the breakout of 25.2, we can expect the price drop to 22.5. All right, this is if there is one more drop, this is where we can expect the price to drop. But from what we can see here, still we can look for continuation. That means still we can expect the price to continue, and even we can look for continuation and the price retest the previous top, which is the 36, without dropping to this level. I mean, without the dropping to this zone. Anyway, we move to lower time frame. We want to see what we have based on daily chart, and based on daily chart, if we want to look at this one as a correction, and still we can expect to get one move up, then from there we want to see whether the price can break 32 and we can see the continuation or not. This is what we're looking for. But if we get one move up, that means this is the correction we're looking for, and we don't see the breakout of the 32, then any sell from there we will take it. Okay, and in this case, if we want to look for buy either 4 hour, mostly we should check based on 1 hour. This is the zones we're looking for. That's mean the best thing is if I move to 1 hour chart. And the one things I need to highlight here, all right, how we want to look at this one, whether this is the internal flat or we can look at this one. If we want to, in terms of the technical analysis, we prefer to look at the chart in this way. That means we want to get one more drop, at least the price retest the previous low, because in that case, we will have a divergence. Then any reversal from there, we take the trade for buy, because we will get the confirmation as a divergence, and then any reversal as a sharp move flag, we'll take it, and we can consider this one as a running flag. Internally also, we get the tree wave as a first correction and the last. This is the best option I'm looking for. If I get, I will take the trade, because if the price drop to at least retest the previous low somewhere around 27 or 27.3, then at least we see we have a divergence. Then we at least we can confirm whether the price can drop to 25.2 or not. Okay, again, this is the best option I'm looking for if you want to look for buy, and this buy is a short term and within the correction based on the daily and 4 hour chart. But how about if the price reverse from here? In that case, that means we're looking at this one as a first move and the correction. In that case, we can put our entry somewhere around 29. Putting at 28.7 or 6, I don't prefer, it's crazy risky, that we prefer to put our entry somewhere around 29. That means we put our entry somewhere around 29, around here. Then at that times, we want to see the continuation as a sharp move, and with the breakout of the previous top, which is 29.5. At if we see, I mean, at least if we can move our stop loss to break even, mostly it's very close, we cannot do that. At least we need to watch out. If there is continuation, we keep. If we see within 1 or 2 hours we don't see the continuation, that means we don't see the breakout, we take out the trade. Okay, the best play things, I mean, the levels as a target we're looking for in relative to this move. The first one we're looking for is 30, and with the breakout of the 30, the next one we're looking for is 30.8. We need to see the breakout of this level. That's why when the price tag 30, this is where we can move our stop loss to break even. But we need to see whether the price can break the previous top. This is where we're looking. I mean, if there is a breakout, we keep the trade. If we see the price is not going to break, we within 1 or 2 hours, we take out the trade. Or we put it in this way. We put our entry at the 29, and what we want the price sharply break and continue. But if the price tag within the first or maximum second hours, if it's not moving our direction, we take out the trade. And this is the short-term trade. And this is where 30 and 30.8, this is what we're looking for in relative to this move. This is where either we take out the trade in the small profit or we move our stop loss to break even. Anyway, still we can look for one move up. If I zoom out this one, still we can expect to get one move up similar to what we have here. That means we are looking at this correction. Then from there, we want to see whether the price can break 32 or not. And as I mentioned, the best possibility we should be looking for we want the price break the previous low, because in that case we will get the running flat, then any reversal from there we will take it, because in that case, in terms of the risk and reward, we can get a better opportunity to look for trade. Okay, anyway, this is how we can look at the chart, and any trade within this correction we consider as a short term, and in this case we just follow the chart. If I see any update I will share. Thanks.